Hey everyone, so today I am coming to you guys with an Amazon hair review. Yes, I know I've been doing a few of those lately, but I am seriously obsessed now with buying hair off of Amazon. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. So I was contacted by a company, I believe you pronounce it Nadula hair. They contacted me in regards to doing a review. And of course, it's kind of hard for me to turn down hair. I'm not going to lie. I love hair. So anyway, I went on their Amazon storefront, looked at all of their hair, and I also check out the reviews a lot of the time beforehand to see like how reputable their company is. And there's a lot of great reviews on Nadula hair. So I went to the website, picked out some hair, and I was super excited. Of course, I have Amazon Prime shipping, so I got it I ordered it Friday. Did I order it Friday or Saturday? I ordered it Friday. Yeah, I ordered it Friday and I got it today. Today's Saturday. So anyway, let's jump right in. Okay. So again, it is Nadula hair. I believe. Okay. Actually, let me just bring it up really quick. So yeah, it's Nadula, and I purchased the 8A Braziian Ombre body wave hair. I got the 3 bundles with a closure. And the color, it's a 3-tone ombre. Y'all, I'm feeling the wig I have on is ombre. Like, I'm feeling ombre for the summer. Like, that is my go-to. So this is like a 3-tone ombre. Most ombres are just a 2-tone. Normally it's a dark root with a lighter, tip. But this is a 3-tone, and it's 1B, 4, and 27. The lengths, why can't I say that? Lengths. What's wrong with me? Anyway, the lengths that I got was 16, 18, and 20 inch, and then a 14-inch closure. I know you guys probably can't see the picture. Probably can't see the picture very well, but that's what the picture looks like on the website. This is Amazon. So it's a very pretty ombre color. Again, it goes from the 1B to the number 4 to the 27. Looks like it all blends in very well. The price, of course, was a great price. Like I said, for the length that I got, it was only $129. So that's really, really great too. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So this is the box that it comes in. Very nice packaging. Then it has some information on the back as far as like the hair supplier. It says Nadula Beauty Hair Products, a professional manufacturer which has more than 20 years experience, has become a famous brand all over the world. We also have a factory in China and US. Most customers love to choose Nadula for our ex-factory price, trusted good quality, and warm-hearted service. Own Nadula, enjoy natural beauty. So that was really nice. So then it just has some hair care facts. I'm not going to go through all that, but it's got your hair care facts and instructions that tells you like how to wash it, how to dry it, how to trim it, roll it, wrap it, whatever. Okay, so let's open this baby up. So you open it up. Here's what you get really quickly. So of course they got a nice pair of lashes as like a little complimentary. I don't know if y'all see these or not, but this is what I'm talking about. Like, I can do natural looking lashes like this. I just can't do the ones that like overpower my face. So again, I got 3 bundles, 20, 18, 16 inch, and then a 14-inch closure. Let's go ahead and open these bundles real quick, because we don't want to make this long at all, do we? No, we don't. So this is the 20-inch. Where is my... Oh my gosh, you guys, hold on a second. I think I took my closure out of the bag and I didn't put it back in there. Hold on. So yeah, you guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. I had to go get the closure. I had taken it out of the box originally just to kind of look at it, and I forgot to put it back in. So I did go ahead and open up all the hair though, so I can make this a little bit quicker. So again, the hair that I got from Nadula is 20 inches, 18 inches, 16 inches, and then a 14-inch closure. We're going to go ahead and start off with the closure. It is a 4x4 closure. This is what it looks like. And again, this is the 3-tone ombre effect. The 1B is at the top, the number 4 is this brown, and then the 27 is of course at the bottom. This is what it looks like. And again, this is the body wave. I probably won't wear it in the body wave texture. The only reason I actually got this texture is because I believe it was the only texture that I seen on here that did have the 3-tone ombre like this. Like I didn't see a just a plain straight texture on there with the 3-tone ombre. So that's why I ended up getting just a body wave. So I'll probably end up straightening it, or not straightening it. I'll probably end up wearing it in a style like this where I curl it backwards, and you guys will see once I am finished, because I am going to make a wig out of this. So anyway, this is what the back part looks like. It's got the PU strip around it, which is always great for you to sew on. But yeah, and then it does have a few little baby hairs here in the front kind of poking out. I don't know if necessarily you guys can see those, but they do have a few little baby hairs here in the front, which that's not a big deal to me because I don't really wear baby hairs anyway. So again, this is the 14-inch closure. Okay, next, this is the 20-inch. Okay, this is the 20-inch ombre. I think that's going to look super pretty. I cannot wait to install this. The hair is really soft. I love the way, you guys, I'm so weird, but I love the way like bundles of hair smells. Like, not all bundles, I shouldn't say all bundles. Some bundles have a funky smell to it, but this smells, I don't know, it just smells good to me. It's weird, but I love smelling. Like, I can seriously smell it all day. But anyway, so the bundles are a very good size. So I'll show those to you guys. The bundles. I don't see, from what I see, I don't see like any bearding or anything sticking out. Okay. So that's what the 20-inch looks like. This is the 18-inch. Okay. This is the 18-inch. Same thing. The bundles look really good. No bearding. And then we have, last but not least, the 16-inch. That's what the bundle looks like. And again, no bearding. So the bundles are actually a really good size. The hair itself is super soft. Like, I wish you guys could feel this hair. It is so soft. Oh, it's so soft. I wish you guys could feel it. It smells so good. It's so weird. It's so weird. It's not like it's like a shampoo smell either. It's like, I mean, it smells like that, like chemically processed hair, but to me it smells good. Like, I don't know, you guys, it smells good. So anyway, this is what it looks like. This is what all 3 bundles look like together. I think it's gonna look so gorgeous once I am done making the wig. I'm super excited because I got this hair, and I'm hoping to have the wig finished by Sunday evening because I plan on wearing it next week for the 4th of July. I'm going to be in Chicago, you guys. I'm going to be visiting my family, my daddy in Chicago. So, hopefully I'll be able to have it done by then so I can wear it. But yeah, so like I said, the bundles are all really, really nice and thick. So yeah, I plan on using all 3 bundles in my closure, of course. And I cannot wait to make the wig. So I will definitely come back when I am done making the wig. I don't know if I'm going to put pictures at the end of this video or make a whole nother separate video to show you guys maybe how I style it or whatever. I don't really know. I might do both. I might just come back and like put pictures at the end of this video and then still make another video showing you guys like how I style it and so on and so forth. Okay, so again, this is Nadula. This is Nadula on Amazon. I will put all the links to their storefront and to this, or not, I said this hair, to this exact hair, which is the 3-tone ombre. I will put all the links down in the description box so you guys can just click on it and it'll take you directly there. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to comment down below, and if I can help in any way, then I absolutely will. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Again, I cannot wait to install it. I already have my dome cap set up out in my living room on my kitchen table. I already have everything set up. I am going to try. Y'all pray for me. Oh my gosh. So excuse me. I have been trying to make wigs on my sewing machine for like over a year, and for whatever reason I just cannot get it. I don't know if it's me. I have a singer stylist, and like I know how to sew. Like I've had my singer stylist sewing machine for like probably 5 excuse me, for like probably 5 years or so. So it's like I know how to sew, but like the problem that I have is when I'm sewing the tracks on the dome cap, like number one of 2 or 3 things happen. Either number one, my cap will like shrink and it won't be able to fit my head. And I'm using the zigzag stitch and everything, so I don't know. Or I just get so frustrated with like when you're sewing, and once you like, okay, once you sew the first like 2 or 3 tracks on, it's cool, but like after you start sewing, you've got like 6 tracks done and you've got all this hair, and you know your presser foot is only like that, you know, that far away from the plate. Like you don't have a lot of room to really adjust, and you've got all this hair. I just end up normally saying like forget it, and I end up sewing the rest of the tracks on. So if anybody has any tips, I've watched a million YouTube videos, please let me know. But I am going to try to sew it on a sewing machine, because it's just, you guys, it would be so much quicker. Like, oh my gosh, like when I tell you that it literally takes me probably about a good 4 hours to hand sew a wig, girl, I ain't got time for that. I don't. So y'all pray for me that I can make this wig and be done with it and it come out looking good, because I don't want to mess it up and I don't want to mess the hair up. So yeah, so anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Again, stay tuned for the pictures, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button so you will be able to see when I have my next upcoming video. You guys don't want to miss it, right? I mean, I hope you don't. So anyways, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, check out Nadula hair on Amazon. I will put all the links down below in the description box. Have a good evening. Bye.